This is Ceramiton Weekly reporting from Indonesia. Our interview today is with Mr. Rudy, the CFO of Arwana Group.
Arwana, we already in the market for about 35 years. We consider the biggest in terms of capacity in Indonesia, in terms of sales volume also, because we are keep growing every year. We start with a very small capacity, about 2 million per year. But now our capacity is about 80 million square meters. Yeah, we start with one small line. Now we have 25 production lines. It's been 25 kilns. We produce now about 80 million per year. And then we also serve the low-end market in Indonesia, mid-segment market, and then the high-end market. We have about 20 lines to produce the red body that serves the mid to low-end. So now I have about 5 lines, production line, produce the porcelain house to serve the high-end market in Indonesia. In this year, we reach the biggest in terms of market size. Hopefully next year still keep growing, maybe around 3% to 5% a year, according to the projection of Ceramic Industry Association of Indonesia (ASAGI). We are very confident that the market for the white body will keep growing. But in terms of market growth, for the red body will be higher. The challenge here is the gas price, the scarcity of gas supply. This is the biggest problem. But for the market, no problem. We have a big population here, and then the growth of the population is also very high, about 3% a year. And then in Indonesia, we call it backlog of the housing. Until now we experience a backlog of the housing about 11 million to 13 million housing. It's very big opportunity. Besides of the backlog of housing, our population is keep growing. I think the constraint of ceramic industry in Indonesia is the scarcity of gas. So the most important now, whenever we want to increase, to adding capacity of building a new production line, we need to find site, the spray dryer, horizontal dryer, and kiln very efficient in gas consumption. I think this is the most important. Because for us, the price of the machine is not so important because it's the sunk cost. The problem is the variable cost. The variable cost where come from the gas, because the gas price is keep increasing every year. It means my variable cost for production is keep increasing. So I need to find a very efficient machinery in terms of gas consumption. And then this is something that I can have from DLT kiln, DLT spray dryer, and DLT horizontal dryer. This is what my experience using the machine, the spray dryer, horizontal dryer, and kiln for DLT. Yeah, because at the time I have to try first with one kiln, and then now we are keep buying. It means we are happy with the machine. Yeah, I think this is my experience. Yeah, using DLT machinery.
Mr. Rudy also shared that besides reliable equipment performance, they chose to partner with HLT and DLT again, largely thanks to the team's professional technical support, rapid response, and greatly reduced communication costs for spare parts and consumables. We appreciate Mr. Rudy's insights. As Indonesia's largest leased ceramic enterprise with remarkable operational success, its experience offers valuable references for ceramics manufacturers worldwide, especially amid rising energy costs across the industry.